Welcome back to the Seated Tai Chi Challenge. This is Flying Crane Spreads Its Wings. Traditionally, this is said to help release stuck emotions and stored stress. Begin with your palms down. Press down with the palms down. Let your palms float up as you inhale and float down as you exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, your arms and hands are like their wings. Release stress with a sigh of relief. Now, press forward, push forward with the palms. We don't lock out the arms or the wings, we come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale as the hands come back, opening up the chest. Exhale. Exhale, pressing forward, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. Last one, hold your palms out in front. These are your wings. Spread your wings to the side. Now pull them back into your shoulders, palms next to your shoulders, and then push out. Breathing in, breathing out. Let your hands float back down. And then we alternate, brushing from the chest, the heart-mind, down to the lower dantian, sea of energy. This is another one that you can take with you and practice any time that you feel you have some pent-up emotions or some stored stress that you would like to release through these motions and the sighs of relief, through the breath, through the motion, like you're sweeping it all away.